Hello guys, use my phone Xiaomi Mi 9. This is version 6 RAM memory and 128 internal memory. Global version. Start unpacking, open box, and look complementation. In complementation we have a device in the black color, adapter for charging, and USB Type-C cable without headphones. Okay. On the back side, triple camera and LED, device made of glass and metal. On the front side, 6.4-inch display, front camera. On the left side, smart key and slot for 2 nano SIM card. On the right side, power key and mom keys. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone without headphones jack. Okay. Without headphones jack and without slot for micro SD card for memory, only 2 nano SIM card. Okay, turn on device. Mi 9. Wait loading. Device load. Okay, turn on. Open settings. About phone. Version Android 9. Version Mi 10.2. Okay. Display AMOLED. Full HD resolution. Open Geekbench 4. Talk about system information. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. This is octa-core processor, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores, CPU speed, GPU Adreno 640, resolution, display PPA. Okay, look, results, single core score and multi-core score CPU test, and GPU test results. Okay, and look Antutu score. This best score in ranking Antutu. Powerful device. Mi 9, this powerful device in Antutu benchmark. Okay. 10 touches support display. Close Antutu benchmark and look. Demanding game PUBG Mobile. Let's see gameplay. Game load, graphic level max, ultra frame and max graphic level. Okay. Works perfect. Without lags and glitches, perfect gameplay on max graphic level. Okay, close game. Another game, GTA San Andreas, Mortal Kombat, Unkilled, Assassin's Creed Identity works perfect too, like PUBG Mobile. Okay, and now talk about camera. Main camera, triple camera, 48 plus 11 plus 12 plus 16 megapixels. Triple camera, front camera 20 megapixel. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.